Well, in this journey of creating world's most advanced e-learning program in homeopathy, I would say it's like I may be the face, but success belongs to the whole team. Speak one. I may be the face, but success belongs to all of them, in which one of the major contribution what we have received is from Dr. Sadhna Rathod, who is from a very small village and has created history working here in this world's most advanced e-learning platform. She is one of the finest homeopaths. I am very sure the world will see in very near future. Her parents should be proud of her for all her commitments and for all her dedication towards the profession. Looking at her, I really believe that the future of homeopathy is very, very bright. So I want to thank Dr. Sadhna Rathod for your unconditional, untiring efforts for making this e-learning platform. A big thank you to you. Dr. Falguni Hathila. She is always an integral part of the any project taken by Samuel Hahnemann Academy of Homeopathy. She is an associated to me since more than 7 years from now, and we are like working almost as a unit whenever we work together. Thank you very much, Dr. Falguni. My beloved wife, Krupa, without you, it's not possible. She is my life, she is my wife. And I want to thank her from the bottom of my heart for all the pains she had to take because of my unconditional sacrifices, supports, and all the hard work what I had to undergo. Thank you for your understanding and thank you for your support. Without you, this journey would not have been possible. So I want to thank you. Executive team, I saying again, I may be the face, but success belongs to them. Mr. Ronak Dave, who has worked day in and day out with his team, tirelessly, unconditionally, to make this e-learning platform happen. A big thank you. Dr. Vasishdhar Dwivedi, from whom the journey of e-learning program got started. I was not aware that this program can be this big, or my vision, or my purpose can be of this magnitude. It's because of him this has happened. Mr. Nakul Bhai Sher Dalal, I always consider him as my blessing. He is my wonderful friend, brother, and whenever I'm stuck, I always take his help. Dr. Hardik Yagnik, probably the man who is not into homeopathy but has gifted homeopathy to the greatest. And without him and without his support, all throughout my practice, homeopathy would not have been taken this much of digital development, what we are able to see now. A big thank you to you, Hardik Bhai. Mr. Anuj Bhai also has been an integral part in this journey. Thank you to my entire executive team. Technical team. Saying again, I may be the face, but success belongs to them. Mr. Sanjay Bhai Gohil for his editings and all, waking nights and nights without any excuse, going best for the work. Pratik, Lal Bhai, Girish, Sanket, Aval, Harsh, everybody. Everybody has worked without any complaint, everybody has worked without any excuse, just they have executed as per what I had requested them to do. And this is really an achievement of a very high magnitude. And trust me, this cannot be happening. This world's most advanced e-learning program in homeopathy cannot happen without these people's support. So I want to thank everyone from the deepest of my heart. A big thank you for everything what you have done to me, and this turned out to be a blessing for homeopathy. You may be professional and you have done your job, but you don't know how much valuable what you have done for homeopathy. Thank you very much. Into this, I have presented webinars in probably across the globe. I'm the only homeopath in the world up till now who has given 100 webinars worldwide and almost 175 to 80 hours of teaching continuously. In that, would like to thank each and everyone who has invited me on their digital platform. Mr. Manish Jain from Radar Opus, Homeopathy 360, Dr. Yashika, along with the entire team of Legion family who are always there to work for homeopathy. I Sampark webinar, Dr. Mrs. Ishmeet, Then Hearts and Walk Foundation, D.Y. Patil College, Dr. Jagose sir, IHMA, Dr. Deepu, he's always ready to work for homeopathy. Kavita Holistic Approach, Dr. Kavita Kukulur, Asha Homeopathy, Dr. Vaibhav, and everybody. I would like to thank everyone for having me on their platform. Dr. Karthik Raghavamurthy from I Love Homeopathy, Ahisya family, Dr. Banderi sir, Dr. Kingsuk, and everyone who has done relentlessly work for homeopathy through whatever best possible ways they have. Continuous medical education from Dr. Akshay Rankar, Canada, my own family, National Journal of Homeopathy, who is working day in and day out, pouring more than their abilities to serve homeopathy. I really thank entire NJH family for giving me the honor to be on the platform, and it's because of all these people I am here to produce. I am here to submit the world's most advanced e-learning program in homeopathy. Otherwise, this was never a thought. I never thought of that we can create an e-learning program in homeopathy, because I consider always myself healer. But now God has given me an opportunity to be a teacher. Along with Albas Homeopathy Medical College, CN Kothari Homeopathy Medical College, I want to thank each and everyone for having me on their platform and to deliver something good, what I know as an ardent student of homeopathy. To this, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude, sincere thanks to His Excellency the Governor of Gujarat, Sri Devrat Acharya sir. Thank you very much for taking time and to bless this function. It means a lot to us. It means a lot to us. Thank you very much, sir, from the deepest of my heart for your presence. Then guest of honor Kiran Rijiju sir, Dr. Mahendra Bhai Manjubra sir, I really feel blessed listening to you, and you seem to be a wonderful human being. I am very sure that homeopathy is going to touch new heights under your able leadership. Along with Devshi Chauhan sir, who could not come, we just had a telephonic communication, and he also conveyed his wishes. He was stuck in some meeting, so it was difficult for him to remain present. Along with invited guest, Sri Mitesh Bhai Patel, this event is successful because of him. Our MP is our pride. What he has done for homeopathy, or what efforts he has done for homeopathy, is a truly deserving loudest of applause. Thank you very much, Baka Bhai, for everything what you have done for us and for homeopathy. Dr. Anil Khurana sir, the most wonderful human being, the real inspiration, pan India, and the Honorable Chairman, National Commission of Homeopathy, for spending time and giving this wonderful presentation, wonderful talk, and the blessings. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. I want to thank everyone from the deepest of my heart for spending time and remain present in this August gathering. Last but not the least, journey has begun. The team what we have developed, the team which we have envisioned, is a blessing. And with this e-learning program, this is first project. Now we are announcing another project, which is again a historic project. Nobody has thought about this in this world. What we are going to deliver on the 10th of April 2022, and that is again a project on Hahnemann, again a project on original homeopathy, which I am very sure the world will welcome. Our team is committed to that, and that is same team on another mission. That is to produce another historic event in the nearest future, especially as our tribute to the founder of homeopathy, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. So I want to thank everyone from the deepest of my heart for being present in this function, and it means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Let's thank you, Dr. Shah. Thanks all. That's it for today, everyone. We appreciate you being here. We would like to acknowledge again the presence of huge audience and guests. We would also like to thank everyone who made this webinar series possible. Thanks again for joining us today. Hope to see you all next time. God bless you. Let's complete the program with Kalyan Mantra. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। थैंक यू।